What's up everyone, welcome to another episode with the Savage Dragon. So today we have another adventure on a remote island with like 11 people from Hanoi, and we're gonna have like mud crabs, we're gonna have lobsters, we're gonna have jumbo shrimps, we're gonna have fish, we're gonna do a barbecue and sashimi, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys around, and then we're gonna make a fire and get the picnic going. Super peaceful, super idyllic here. Quite a view. I'm gonna grab some of these coral rocks for my beach kitchen. Got our tarp up right here, so just in case it's gonna rain. And now we have like a barbecue place, gonna make a fire. Some useless.
Hi.
Some useless girls here. Not useless. Not doing anything. Just taking photos. I told them to go fishing, and they haven't gone fishing yet. They were supposed to go fishing like an hour ago. And this is our view. And this is our main stuff right here. Look at this bad boy. Oh, still alive. Yep. Alright, baby. I am fire. Alright, yeah, so this is our main course right here. This is our lunch. We're gonna split these guys. And I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some sashimi barbecue with these guys. We got lots of colors here. Super colorful, super excited. So I'm gonna show you guys what's up. Baby, olive oil. Can never have too much of olive oil, baby. Alright, some Cajun spices. Pepper. Yeah, baby. Now, chili flakes. That's it, baby. We're now barbecue these bad boys up. It looks super amazing. All right. Alright, so we had some crabs here. I caught 6 of them in total. I didn't catch them. If you guys want to see a video where I caught some of these crabs here in Phú Quốc, there's a different video. But this time I didn't catch these guys, so there are gonna be 6 of them. So I want to put them on ice, put them to sleep, give them a merciful death. You know the same drill. So I'm gonna put them here.
And suddenly this tropical thunderstorm rolls right in and hits our little island. But luckily I have this survival tarp here with me, so now we're just setting this thing up as soon as possible because we want to protect our little fireplace and our lobsters at all costs. And we have to make sure that it's strong enough to resist the strong wind in the middle of the storm. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Phải lấy, cô cứ cầm thế là sao cô ăn được? Thôi anh cầm cho. Bỏ túi xuống. Cầm thế cho nó khổ đấy.
Quý giá của nó anh.
Kiểu cứ sợ bắt túi eo vì gì? Cô gì nhỉ?
Ngon không em?
Siêu ngon. Siêu ngon. Hơi lạnh tí thôi nhưng mà ngon. Như nhung mới lại canh mãi đấy. Không phải canh mãi ngon hơn chị.
Yeah, because it's raining like crazy, so now we're just gonna do some ghetto style sashimi. It's not like my usual style, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta make do with what you have. Super savage, super barbarian style, but that rain was pretty brutal, so but we managed to get our food going inside this tarp here. It was a lifesaver. So we finished our lobsters and now we have some mud crabs. Alright, show you guys how we're gonna eat it. With this butter sauce right here. Look at this baby. Super good. Rồi. Making some fried rice and crab meat on the barbecue, all that good stuff.
Wow.